Top 5 Common Adjectives. Part 3. Number 1. Humble. Meaning of humble: having or showing a modest personality. How to use it. There are some people who achieve many things in life, but they generally avoid speaking about their achievements. These people are described as humble. Example: he is always the first in his class, but he doesn't speak about it with others, because he is humble. Synonyms of humble: modest, down to earth. Antonyms of humble: arrogant, self-important. Number 2. Confident. Meaning of confident: feeling or showing confidence in oneself or one's abilities. How to use it. Imagine that you have a test tomorrow and you don't feel nervous, but instead you feel that everything will be okay, and you will pass the test without difficulties. That feeling is confidence, and you are confident. Example: I am a very good swimmer, and I feel confident to swim anywhere. Synonyms of confident: assured, convinced. Antonyms of confident: doubtful, unconfident. Number 3. Passionate. Meaning of passionate: having or showing strong feelings about a person or a thing. How to use it. Think of the thing you love the most, maybe a certain sport or a hobby. We generally feel and speak about the things we love with a lot of passion and love. When we do that, we are being passionate. Example: my young brother is passionate about basketball. He goes crazy whenever he speaks about his favorite team. Synonyms of passionate: enthusiast, ardent. Antonyms of passionate: half-hearted, apathetic. Number 4. Charming. Meaning of charming: having or showing very pleasant or likable character. How to use it. Someone who is charming is a person who is easy to talk to and easy to like. Generally, a charming person is good-looking. Example: yesterday at the party, I met a charming girl and we had a great time. Synonyms: likable, good-looking. Antonyms: repulsive, unpleasant. Number 5. Sincere. Meaning of sincere: saying what they genuinely feel or believe. How to use it. Imagine that your life partner bought a new shirt, but it didn't look good on them. The act of telling them the truth is being sincere and honest. Example: please accept my sincere apology. I really didn't mean to drop your phone. Synonyms: genuine, honest. Antonyms: dishonest, hypocritical. Write in the comments a sentence using your favorite adjective from the video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I read all of them. Thank you for watching. Click on our playlist for more vocabulary.